Hi there, today we're going to review a laser tape measure. There is a 4-in-1, and also you can measure the areas, the stairways, the whatever, or if you install kitchen, this is really great. Let's demonstrate. You receive a charger and instruction and how it looks, laser tape measure, and you do have a centimeters in inch, and you press and it will just release. So here's the measure units, and since we're in the United States, we're going to use the foot, and once you want to measure, you press. For example, we want to measure, we're going to set the laser to vertical, and over here you press measure, and it's right now measuring. So it's 18 foot and 75 to the ceiling. So also this button, when you press, it will show you here the diagonal and all the square. You can measure each of the square. Once you measure, it will put here and it will calculate for yourself to get your square footage, how much the square feet, and you can measure shapes. And right now it's just a vertical. So once it measured, it will show here 1 foot, and it shows exactly. So it's really good, and definitely recommend it. This is really nice to have in your construction to measure, and it will do a map for you. So yeah, it's a really nice product.